Guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia. Thank you for clicking on this video and I hope you are doing well. As you can see by the title of this video, I'll be trying out wave formers and I'm really excited. I got this one from AliExpress for about 16 euros. Yeah, 16 euros in the length of 45 centimeters. This is how they look. So each has 12 packs, 12 sets of wave formers in it, and the tool to assemble it. This is how it looks up close. I don't know if you see the structure of it, but yeah, this is basically how it looks. It's stretchy and comes with this plastic here. So for this style, I will be using my Cantu Leavin conditioner, my Eco Styler gel, and my Detangle brush. I noticed that whenever I work with my Eco Styler gel, many of my leave-in conditioner doesn't go with it because my hair flakes afterwards. I look like a big snowball. But my Cantu works very well with the Eco Styler gel. My hair doesn't flake. I'll take my Cantu leave-in. I'm putting the product in my whole section now because I feel it's going to be pretty annoying doing it while I'm putting the wave formers, like they're pretty small, so I don't think it's necessary to do all that. It's just going to be time consuming. So I'll put my leave-in in. Then I'll just brush my hair to make sure my product is well distributed in my hair. So I'm done with my leave-in conditioner. I won't put my Eco Styler on the whole section. I think it's just too big to put my gel inside, so before I get there it's not dried up. So I'll just clip this one aside and put my Eco Styler gel in my hair. I'm putting enough that my hair has hold afterwards, but not too much that it feels like it's just gel that is in my hair. So I'll twist the roots like so, but not too far, and then take the tool, clip it in, and then I will just pull. That's it. So let me do one more. So taking the second section, twisting the roots, take the hook. I'm not twisting it with the hook, I just hold it there and then pull down. Okay. So I advise you not to take big sections because the bigger the section, the harder it is to pull through this. All right. So guys, I am done. I just put it into buns because it's really not handy moving around with it. I must say it took me now about 50 minutes to do my whole head, but I was having difficulties while doing it. Like, this attachment sometimes was just coming off while I was pulling my hair out. It just detach and have to like do it all over again. I would also recommend using smaller sections, because the bigger the section, you're more likely to get stuck in between. So if all your hair doesn't fit in this loop here and it somehow managed to get outside it, it's not going to pull through. So you definitely have to make sure your section is small enough to enter into this loop, so when you pull it out, it's gonna come right out. If not, you'll be pulling on your scalp, and that really hurts. I'll just go sleep and see how it feels sleeping with it, because I'm doing it at night right now, so I'll see tomorrow how it's going to look. So guys, I am back. It's the next day. I hope it's dry. It was very uncomfortable sleeping with this. I really wish I did it in the day so it dries in the day, because I couldn't sleep well. It's like my scalp hurts sleeping with it. It feels like, you know, when you do fresh braids and like you first 2 nights you sleep with it, that's how I was feeling sleeping with this. It was not comfortable at all. I was at the point of almost removing it in the night because it was really annoying. But however, it's over now and I hope it's dried. Okay, so let me pull this one here out. Okay, it feels dry. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Let me move one more out. Wow. Okay, it's definitely defined. Let me go up close for you to see. It's definitely dry also. Yeah. Okay, I'll take everything out and I'll come back. So this is how it's looking right out of the wave formers, and look at that definition. Okay, but it's really looking flat, so I'll try separate them and pick my roots. So let's see. this is how it's looking after I separated it. I'm no longer that hype, somewhat disappointed. I should have probably stopped separating earlier, but I didn't because I wanted it big and full. But this is what I got out of it. My hair looks frizzy and I'm not feeling it. I feel like I wasted my time a little, but it's also my fault. I was separating it too much and now I don't feel it anymore. Maybe if when you're doing it, just stop separating it way earlier. Even maybe you should just even leave it like that. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Leave me a like and comment down below if you tried it or not. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.